Hello guys, I'm Balafxofficial by name. Welcome to my channel and kindly like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel as I keep more great content to you guys. So without wasting much time, let's get into today's business. In today's business, I'm going to talk about chart pattern. Best way to know chart patterns using the candlestick method and using the line chart, so that you can be able to see some of the equivalent shape that we are looking for. So here are some example of charts that I download. So I'm going to send it on my Telegram and WhatsApp, so you should be there. The link is on the description box below, so that you can be able to know all this chart pattern, reversal chart pattern, continuation pattern, and all this is with line chart. You can be able to know and identify them like this. This is trend, ranging trend. We call this ranging trend, as you can see do it. But without wasting much time, let me go into chart on MT4 or MT5 so that you can be able to understand it. Like this, look at their name: flagging wing, symmetric triangle, bullish rectangle, this and that, inverted head and shoulder, this inverted head and shoulder, cup and handle, ascending triangle, head and shoulder, this and that. Let's get into chart so that you can be able to understand some of them. I will show you some, and some you will go and research and be consistent with it, so that you can be able to be familiar with them. As you can see, I'm here to aid your journey fast, and I don't want you to waste much time on particular resources. So you have the many resources out here. You understand? I was not properly taught very well, but it was my research and visibility to be eager to understand and learn. That was what kept me going. So I encourage each and every one of you to be able to go and research, go further, break your limits, go beyond your limit, go beyond your imagination. Yeah. So let us start. Since I've opened chart, this is H1. This is 1 hour time frame. As you can see, here is what I use to change time frame. Now here we are on hourly time frame. Like, look at when we say ranging, like look at something here. I'm just going to do it randomly. I don't want the video to go long. This now, are you saying it's ranging? It's ranging like this, like this, like this, like this. When it break, it retests and go down. So when I use line chart, you can see this is sign of reversal. As you can see, go down, break, retest, and go back. So when I even go and check some of the chart pattern, you will see something like that equally. This one is the falling flag. This something like this. I think it was this or this that I drew. This inverted flag or this head. Yeah, look at it here. Ranging wedge. This is what I did. This is the ranging wedge. So you can see it's a sign, or it's a pattern that is used for reversal. You understand? This is what I did. This ranging wedge. Yeah, look at it. It range, then it break. After it range, it break and come back and retest and go back. So imagine if you are selling from here, how many pips will you be getting? This Euro USD is not, the pips are in, let me see, 60 something pips. Let me see. If you have power to allow it to reach your patient, if it's 51 pips, at least it's good. And here also, look at another one. You can use line charts and you can use candlestick. After this, I will turn on the line chart so that I will turn on the chart pattern so that you see. Not using line chart anymore. Look at this one also. Let me just turn on the chart pattern so that you see. Can you see? It's arranging. After it range, then it break and it come back and retrace. After it break, it come back and retrace and drop down. So these are many chart patterns, and for a single chart pattern we make use of different candlestick. Like, let me say, we make use of doji candlestick, engulfing candlestick, and hammer, shooting star, rising star, falling range. There are many different kind of candlestick, but in my next video I'm going to show you the ones that you need to be watch out for so that you can be able to be profitable. Then you will check and you'll understand. Like, if I want to say like this, for example, this engulfing candle, this yellow is a full engulfing candle, which is for buyer. There is bullish engulfing candle. Why this second one is bearish engulfing candle? This red is bearish engulfing candle. So as price reach here, price is supposed to retrace and come down because they are much. So as we were saying, I was interrupted with a call. I'm sorry about that. So as I'm saying, this is engulfing, this is bullish engulfing, this yellow candle. Why this red candle is called bearish engulfing? But as time goes on, I'm going to teach you the concept of engulfing. It's what we are going to use in our classes, and it's what I'm going to use to be teaching you, not by cramming head and shoulder, many things too much. Yes, all those are concepts and they are among the primary key basics to learn as a forex trader. But as time goes on, I'm going to be using the concept of engulfing theory. Yeah, that you're going to understand it step by step, and I'm going to hold class about in those things all step by step. Then when we come here we can call this also engulfing candle. This red candle is engulfing because it has eaten this one. So this is engulfing sell. This one also is engulfing sell. This bearish is engulfing because it has overpowered this. So in my own class, what I'm going to teach you about this concept. Let me do example for you. Like you can see here, a price after this, I have made this decision. If I combine this 1, 2, 3, 4, it will close above, which is this, it will become engulfing buy. Then it will break the zone and come back and retest this zone and come back. That was what caused the sell. And if I check my chart pattern, this is shooting star or hanging man. This is an indication of reversal candlestick. This, let's check so that we can be correct. For this that I really love to check, let us check. Wow, this candlestick is not bright. Why is it not bright? Let me use. It's not bright. I wanted to use this. this one. But I will download new one and send to you so that you can see. Because look at the shooting star. And yeah, I think shooting star. This is a sign of bearish, a sign of indication to reverse. Market is going to change direction. Market is going to change direction. As you can see, after it has did, it's market change direction and drop down and drop down. So if I want to use like double bottom, this M pattern for reversal, like this place here. This one is triple. Let me check for simplest one. And this something like this, something like this also. This one they call double. This one they call it bullish bottom, bearish bottom. This is for sell, this is for buy. So let us look for these examples. In the example, here is what we have. Let me clear this chart up so that you can understand what I mean. As you can see, if I turn on the line chart, you can see this is double bottom, indication of reversal here and here. W is for buy, then M is for sell. If you see M like this place now, look at what happened. M. If I go back and use line charts, if I go back and use lines, if I go back and use candle chart, candles pattern, then let me implement this with the help of my drawing tools. Look at what is happening here. Are you seeing M? Are you seeing what happened? When it comes, it do like this and do like this and retrace and do what? So are you seeing it? So this is this place, this zone. Are you not seeing this? W. Then here is what? M. So this is what happened in this place. Immediately the price break here. No. Immediately the price break here. As you can see, immediately the price break, it come back and retest. Then this is your entry for sell. You enter, you sell and come back and ride it. So look at it clearly. Let me clean the chart. So this is what happened. This was what happened here. If you cannot see it clearly in this chart, then you go back to M15 so that you can see it clear. M15 or M5 so that you can see it clearly. That is what happened there. M, look at it. As I said, look at it. There's no doubt. This is what they call triple bottom shape. 1, 2, 3. But this is the highest. So we call it M. If I still want to use, look at it. Look at what happened. After it has break this place. Are you seeing? After it has break, it retests. Then you ride on the sell. But remember, market does not go straight. It goes in waves. So there's probability of the market. After it has break, it has then it begins slow like this. Then it will be going. That is how it is. Used to be. The market does not go directly in one direction. No. So that is what this is. Patient is the waiting game. So this is all what I have for now. Let me check what other things I have not covered. Cup and shoulder. Yeah, there are many chart patterns. Cup and shoulder, cup and handle. Yeah, I don't too much hold just chart pattern. I mostly use the concept of engulfing candlestick to do my entry and to do my setup. But as time goes on, I will teach you about the higher high and higher low, like what happened in this place, so that you can be able to know. Look at it. After it has break this zone, did you see this place? After it has break, it come back, it retrace and go down. Did you see this place also? After it has go down, it come up and still going down. So this is what they call support and resistance. On my next video, I'm going to cover those kind of things, support and resistance. Only support and resistance. This thing you can use, but still, because it's in support and resistance, that doesn't mean you should go and buy or sell. If not, you lose money without mental proper analysis. You understand? So be still. Wait on my next video. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See